Back to the video. So right now I'm gonna go home, click home. Guys, we got a 2016 Chrysler 200, anywhere from 15 to 17, 18, 19 maybe. So I'm gonna show you basic how to remove it. Pretty simple. So basically I kind of pry it a little bit already. Basically you want to come down here and you need a prior tool. Basically it's called a door trim remover. Just pop this one a little bit and then go a little bit right there and right here, and then it should pop up. Okay, if it didn't pop up, you want to follow all the way up right here, so that way you won't break anything. So the next thing you want to do, you don't want to take this out. Is this airbag thing? Yep. No, that's emergency. You can take this out if you want, but you don't have to. So I literally ran the microphone over here already, and I ran the 2 USB down to the bottom already. I just want to share with you guys about how to install a Android screen. So basically I have to take this out. I'm sorry. Yep, we're gonna take this out. We're gonna start doing it from the bench. So push it in and pull it out. I'm gonna take the radio out just to see what they look like. Simple. So basically you wanna press, there's a button you have to press to get it open. I'm gonna take the rest of them out first. Let me see. Push this. This is antenna. No, this is USB. Push and move it around. Push down. It's gonna be hard right there. This is not really simple here. Let me get this out first. Let me try to figure out how to get this. I know usually you have to push something down here. You push this, I believe, right here. You push and pull it up right there. There's a clip right there. It's gonna lock right here. So get it out. And antenna. Looks tricky right here. Yep, you push that a little bit right here. Can't push it out here. Same thing as over here. It does have that clip, but it feels really hard. That's it. Now let's guys here for a 2015 to 17, 18, 19. I believe it might fit 18, 19, but usually 15 to 17. This is a 16. Chrysler 200. So as you can see right here, it is the Android, and I got this out from the OEM rate stereo. We're gonna remove all of these out right here, all this plastic out. We're gonna take this T2025, one of them, and we're gonna remove this by taking this clip out right here. You see this 2 clip, and we're gonna take this T20 out. So I'm going to remove the T20 using a T15, not 20, T15. Take 2 screws out. I'm going to take the other one out too while I'm going to take all of them out. Matter of fact, this is for the emergency or flasher, emergency flasher, or whatever you call them. Pull this, and lift it out. Well, actually pull it one at a time. So pull this out. See, finger and thumb, push it up and slide it back here. It should go in easy, and then we'll just screw it back right there in a minute. So I'm going to show you how to remove this clip right there. Make sure it's not going to fly away, okay? Flew away. So basically hold right here using a flat head and hold it on the top right there so it's not gonna jump. I'm just gonna show you just one so it don't waste too much of your time. So there's let me see, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10. Got it all out. See this screw, and then there's the 2 clip right here. And we're gonna just slide it back in here. And it should lock it right there, and then we'll just put the screw back there. The T15s. And it's pretty simple, guys. It's not so hard with this one. I'm gonna just put all the screw back right here. Ooh, I can't see the camera. Wow. I got everything screwed in right there. I was worried about the screws a little bit long. I haven't checked the back and front yet. Hopefully I didn't break the screen. Okay. Well, also I want to make sure that there's nothing underneath here that is metal or anything that can break or damage the screen. So you guys gotta be careful yourself, okay? Because I can do a video, I cannot show you every little detail because some detail are just not meant to tell you everything. So because if I had to do that, it's gonna take forever to do the video. So I'm gonna have my cameraman hold the camera. I'm gonna start putting this on right there. This is probably the hardest one when you try to put it in, back it in. So best way is to do it right there. Here's a sticker right there, you can put it later. And then now you got the RCA jack you want to plug in. You make sure you plug in the right spot. You see this? I almost messed up right there. It will try to go in, but it won't. But you're gonna damage the pin below. So I got the camera. I'm gonna hook up the camera, backup camera. That's gonna be the last one right there. It will go straight in right there. These 2 are for the USB. So I'm gonna open this back up. They also come with the camera. We're not gonna do that. And these come with 2 pieces right there. You don't need this piece. You need this piece for this model. And you will need this too for if they want to plug that USB that we just pulled out open. So only use one USB for that. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about later. But sometime when I'm talking right there. And this is a camera. This is easy one right there. You just plug it in back in camera right here. And then this one, you're going to have to hook it up to the CAN bus. CAN bus will fit right there. Don't put it like this, guys. Make sure it go in easy before you push it all the way in. If it's not going to go in, meaning you did it wrong, and look at it again before you do that. Now you push the main power in here. Plug it in. It's really cold outside today. I don't know what's going on with Ohio. But here, you're going to have to plug this thing in. This is for the CAN bus output to the screen for different accessory. It show you different things on there. That's what CAN bus does. It show you about the screen and the car issue. So I'm going to tape this thing up using the cloth tape right there. They call it Black Hole. That's the company who made them. But I don't really... This is cloth tape to me. And later on, you just go to the car and you just plug this right here. This is for the hazardous light or emergency light. This is for the antenna. And then this one right there is a 6-pin USB. This one will go straight to the factory piece. So let's go to the car. So I'm now plugging these antenna. The thicker one is, I think it's more for antenna radio. This is for probably something else. And I mentioned about 6 plug and 4 plug. This is what I'm talking about. Oh, not that one. We ran 2 of them. Oh, there's only one, right? Right? Two. Oh, there's another one right there. We're not gonna plug this thing in. Right here, there's a 4-pin right there. We're gonna plug in the 6-pin instead, and then we're gonna use this right there to plug in what I was talking about, the black piece right here. So what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna kind of go easy, plug in antenna first. There's antenna. I'm not gonna plug none of these because this is for amplifier installation. Oh, I do have a Bluetooth I had to plug in. You have to do that. We have to zip tie them later when I got everything plugged in. So I got the USB. It's gonna go in like this. Hopefully it works. Yep, it works. So I'm gonna flip it upside down again. I'm gonna try to not damage the stereo screen. I'm gonna come over here. I'm gonna show you the plug. So it's gonna go like this, and then it's gonna turn over like here, right there. You kind of hold it and squeeze it down. It's gonna lock in like that. Now it does look easy, huh? So this one you can just leave it right there. This is for the GPS. It should be fine. Back in the day I was doing, well, let me zip tie this. Let me grab some zip tie. So now I'm gonna plug the hazardous light, the factory one. It's gonna be hard to see, so now you heard that clip. And then I'm gonna put the 6-pin. I should have do that first before I do anything else. 6-pin is gonna be right down here. Make sure you plug into the right holes. Yeah, I should have do that first, but the problem is I ran it down already. Okay, now make sure everything is secure properly. Don't push it all the way in yet. Just get everything in there and then test it. Make sure everything works before you push it all the way in, because if you do that, you're gonna have to take it out. It's not fun. Alright, so here is the screen. I haven't put it all the way in yet. I'm gonna start the car. I'm gonna put on reverse and see what's going on. So no good right there. So we had to do some setting on the protocol. We're gonna show you that later at the end. Put it back on park. So there's a bunch of thing you can use. There's some music, there's video, Bluetooth call. Let me shut this off real quick. Turn it back on because we're in the garage. You can see me, I'm holding the camera. And so one of the doors is open, and I cannot open the driver's door because it's gonna make noise. You can hear that noise. Close that. We're gonna go a little bit of audio setting. We're gonna go to radio. We're gonna test the radio sound. So we got some sound right there.
Eternity.
So we got that working. I'm not gonna show you everything on that part. So we're gonna go back home. We're gonna show you a couple settings. The audio setting right there. You can sound different sound. I'll let the customer do all that stuff. So, but I kind of set the tweak for him a little bit right there. Oh, customer's calling. Back to the video. So right now I'm gonna go home, click home. I'm gonna go to the 4 square click right there. I'm gonna go to setting. I'm gonna have to go to call setting. Let me see the rear view camera. I need to set up that. This is an Android 13, so it's a little bit different from most of that. I had to set the protocol to change the video setting. So I'm gonna go to factory setup, I think. Yep. We'll click on 1, 2, 3, 4, press OK. Touch button learning. Well, I don't know if it worked yet or not. I might have to learn it a certain way. Where's a volume at? Oh, here's a volume, I think. That's weird. Oh yeah, it's working. So I don't have to teach anything or say anything or program anything. So that's good. We'll mainly have to do the program, the backup source right there. So we're gonna go backup source setting. We're gonna change this, modify it to CVBT, and hopefully that will work. With that screen was blurry like that, and it's gonna reset itself. I'm gonna start the call. It's gonna restart itself. I can't put on reverse right there unless I start the car. So we'll give it a couple seconds to do that. A lot of today, right? Because we've been working on 2 cars right there. It's a Chrysler 300 and both Chrysler today, 2 and 300. So we're gonna start the car right there. We're gonna put on reverse, give it a couple seconds. Put a reverse. Oh, am I seeing it right? Oh, okay, the trunks, close the trunk. Yeah, I was about to say, what the heck's going on right there? There we go. So now that's all I need. Oh, it even do this too, look. Right there. I like that. So, yep. We are good on that one. So, there's more video. If somebody can do a video on how to use this some more, because that way I can show my customer how to use it, because I literally took some time, about 20-30 minutes, teaching people how to do it. I mean, I know some basic stuff, but you know, this guy right there, you click on him, he costs money, I think. See, greeting, you want to do a greeting, you want to teach him. Gallery, steering wheel controls already programmed. Aux, they can just click on the aux somewhere over here. So I show you how to do that setting already. So car info, it does have car info. You can balance, fade, side sound, and everything like that. So I'm good to go, and thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment below if you have any question.